name is Jim Pavlakos. I work for Dowco Group. I am in charge of the ArchiCAD sales within the Ontario region. Little history on Dowco. Dowco was established in 1970 as a steel detailing company. Dowco used CAD in limited state in the early 80s, and by the mid 80s we're using it in full production. Led us to X Steel in the early 90s, where we were the first company to bring it over to Canada. In doing so, we North Americanized it. Well, you want me to dance, or? Okay, so we North Americanized it by creating steel connections and components in North America standards, which led to the formation of Dowco Technologies. In 1995, we started selling and promoting X Steel in North America. In 2010, Dowco Tech became a Graphisoft reseller for ArchiCAD, eventually being assigned all of Canada in 2013. And that's where I come in. I'm taking care of ArchiCAD within the Ontario region. And we also have John here today from Graphisoft headquarters. In 2008, Dowco acquired a company called Fabtrol that provides MRP software for steel fabricators. This software controls inventory, shipping, cut lists, purchasing, etc. Everything to do with the material management in this steel fab shop. We are in the middle of rolling out a new version called Fabtrol Pro. And I'm not sure if you recognize this. This used to be the Sky Dome, which is now called the Roger Center. Dowco Consultants. We basically have 3 offices in Canada and over 100 employees. And this is a local example of our work, the Sky Dome, now known as the Roger Center. Some examples of BIM projects worked on by Dowco. The Vancouver Trade and Convention Center. Dowco also used BIM to track RFIs while providing visual representation to the owner, working with 3D models, allowing the connection to designers to also visualize joints for this project for connection design, and also allowing project participants to quickly resolve any design problems before they appeared on the site. Model zones were also exported that had assisted the contractors for specific erection sequences. Thank you. Sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather. The west building of the Convention Center was certified LEED Platinum by the Canadian Green Build Council in 2010. The Denver Art Museum, we also worked on that. The project was recognized by the American Institute of Architects as a successful building information modeling project. A few more pictures there. The Panama Museum of Biodiversity. Working with BIM Solutions, Dowco was tasked to detail its complicated roof framework, as well as the supports for the 15 buildings. A pre-construction model and particularly complete general arrangement and fabrication drawings were also provided to the contractor that was used to provide information to the potential bidders. There's a couple more pictures there as well. Tekla structures. Tekla has products for structural steel, cast in place, precast concrete, and construction management. In the late 2011, it was purchased by Tribble and has been consolidated into product suites named Tribble Buildings. This is a design, build, operate platform catering to owners, architects, general contractors, MEP, and structural. Tekla fulfills the structural solutions. And you can get free BIM software from teklabimsite.com, and you can try it out. Tekla in the field. Here's what we're seeing. Tekla is integrating with Tribble scanners during the construction phase. Data points can flow directly from the model to the field. Several steel and precast customers of ours are now importing the Tekla model into other Tribble devices to help layout items like embeds, anchor bolts, foundation corners, and etc. And now Graphisoft ArchiCAD. Graphisoft ArchiCAD is the pioneer and leading BIM tool for architects and designers, empowering the broadest community of design professionals to deliver model-based projects that are better designed, more predictable to construct, and less expensive to operate. ArchiCAD is a virtual design and documentation package that allows users to create a virtual building with true elements. With ArchiCAD, 2D documentation such as sections, elevations, etc. can be obtained automatically as a byproduct of a 3D model, thus saving a lot of rework to recreate drawings from a model or to create a model from drawings. BIM with Graphisoft ArchiCAD 17, our latest version. In line with being a true BIM application, and I emphasize true BIM application, ArchiCAD collaborates with all leading architectural, structural, and MEP tools available in the market today. This enables all ArchiCAD users to seamlessly exchange files and data with other applications without suffering from any loss in data or parameters. To ensure this data flow, Graphisoft has initiated and supported the Open BIM program, along with other market leaders such as Tekla structures that encourage all BIM projects participants to participate regardless of the software tools they use. So Open BIM collaboration in ArchiCAD is achieved by ArchiCAD's ability to import and export data to all major file formats present in the AEC market today. In addition to being interpreted with a number of file formats, ArchiCAD is also a strong supporter of the IFC file format. IFC stands for Industry Foundation Classes. IFC is a neutral file format that makes it possible to exchange information between different disciplines and different software in the building industry. In a nutshell, IFC file format provides a vendor-neutral platform for exchange of BIM data between various design applications, thus ensuring no loss in data, which cannot be attained by using different proprietary file formats. Working with ArchiCAD, our users have been able to become more productive with the downstream processes associated with the design process, as the software itself takes care of a lot of small details, hence allowing the users to focus on true design. Benefits become more significant as the documentation and drafting become byproducts of the design process. A number of our users have also been able to diversify their businesses as Graphisoft ArchiCAD enables them to do much more with just one design tool and expand their possibilities by providing various associated services such as class checks, energy analysis, and photorealistic renderings, to name a few. With so much data in BIM model, it becomes essential that the design intent to be communicated to various stakeholders in the project, regardless of whether they are own BIM software of their own. In order to facilitate and visualize BIM models on tablets, cell phones, iPads, etc., Graphisoft recently introduced a BIMX application, which allows sharing of design intent and projects with virtually anyone. The viewer application is available free of charge and is on various platforms. With BIMX, all allowed participants on the project can view BIM data and models while on move and personal on construction sites, can also greatly benefit from the 3D visualization, thus reducing confusion related to designs that may arise on site. So here's a slide on the BIMX. You can use it on any Android, iOS, and it's important to note also that ArchiCAD can work on a Mac platform and also obviously Windows. So I want to thank you, and please feel free to come visit us at our booth. We have John here from Graphisoft as well. and I look forward to speaking with you in regards to ArchiCAD. Thank you.